Hello and hi friends, my name is Suresh Chauhan and you're watching my channel Tech. So friends, today in this video we're gonna discuss about a common problem of Windows 10 where you come across an blue screen of error which is DPC watchdog violation in Windows 10. So this error can be resolved by following few steps on Windows 10 itself. First of all, what you have to do is that you have to open the device manager. In the first method, you have to open the device manager. You can follow the process or you can directly open a device manager or you can go on the run. On the run, you just have to type dvmgmt.msc. Then you have to click OK. Now, you can see the drivers of the hardwares of IDE, ATA and ATPI controller. You have to double click on this. Now you have to update the drivers of all those things which are there in this options of IDE, ATA. You have to update or roll back all the drivers of this and you have to restart your PC. How could you repair or roll back? You just need to right click on that device, then you have to click on the properties, and afterward again you have to click on the drivers, and then there is several options. You have to just click on the rollback drivers, or you have to install this and again you have to update the drivers, or you can also download the latest version from your manufacturer's site of the same drivers. So this was the first method. Then you have to restart your PC and see if your problem has been resolved or not. So if this method doesn't work for you, then we should move on to the next method, which was like this. You have to go on the control panel. On the control panel, you have to select hardware and sound, and you have to click on the power option here. Now you have to click on the left hand side. You can see an option, choose what the power button do. You have to click on this. Now you have to click on the change the settings that are currently unavailable. You have to click on this. Now there are only two options in Windows 7, but I am telling you about Windows 10. There would be an option of turn on fast startup. You have to uncheck that. Please, I repeat, turn on fast startup recommendation in brackets. You have to uncheck that thing, and afterward you have to save the changes. Then you have to restart your PC and see if your problem has been irrigated or not. If this method also doesn't work with you, don't panic. I would going to tell you the third method. In that, you have to open the command prompt. You must be knowing that how could you open the command prompt. You just have to go on the run and you have to type cmd. After clicking cmd, you have to type the first command, which is sfc space /scan now. So basically this command is for checking the system file checker. SFC stands for system file checker. This will scan the whole files of your C drives and check if whether any of the file is corrupted or not. If there would be corrupt file, then PC will automatically detect that thing and resolve the problem. If this scanning process also doesn't help you out, then there is another command also. You can write that thing. For that you have to type chkdsk dot space c colon space /f/r. Then you have to simply press enter. So this command states for checking the disk drive where your system files are been stored. It will check that drive. Like in my drives is system files are stored in C drive. So once I would restart my PC on the BIOS menu only, it will check and it will take some time. You have to be patient for a while, and this method will definitely work for you. So these are the 4 methods I have shown you. Hope one of the method will definitely work for you. If this video helped you out, then give a like button to this video and even do subscribe my channel for more further videos like this. And if you have any more queries regarding this issue, you can leave a comment on the comment section. I will definitely help you out within 24 hours. Thank you friends. Jai Hind and Vande Mataram.